Hello, students. This is the portfolio workshop, which will be your final exam. So you'll see that if you go to week 15 in the weekly assignments, I will scroll down. You see it's right here, and this is the page, week 15. You will see this, and this is in the e-portfolio will consist of the following: a cover page, a table of contents, a one-page autobiography, three journal responses of your choice, two formal essays, the final drafts of your choice, and one critical reflection of your writing. Um, if you go up top back to the cover page, if you click on this link, you'll see I already have a Word document of how I want the cover page to be. It must look exactly like this. And when you see that, when you click it, let me open it up. You'll see that I've already formatted it. So here we go. So it's already formatted for you. So the title should be Portfolio of Selected Works. It should be your first name and last name. So you can just, erase this and put, your name. Maybe it's John Smith. You already have everything else, keep everything else the same. And then up here where the pagination is, just click on this and then put your last name, which will be Smith. And then you can close out the header. And then once you do that, let's go ahead and insert page break. So the pagination is already there, which is great. This is where you'll have your table of contents right here. And there's a video. We're going to go back to this of how to format a table of contents in Word. And you should do it exactly like that. And everything, you should have a heading for everything. And so you'll have a heading that's called, of course, table of contents that Word will format, but also a heading called autobiography, then journal responses. So whatever journal responses you have. So journal response 2, journal response 5, and journal response 7. Those should all three journal responses should have their own headings. Um, Also, you'll insert your formal essays, and then you should write, essay one, which is whatever that essay was. I think it was a classical argumentative essay, and then maybe you want to choose essay 3, which is the problem solution essay. You can pick any of the 3 essays that you want. One thing I do want to say is that for the journal responses and for the formal essays, you must proofread and edit them. So it cannot be the what you have the last thing you've gotten. I've made comments on your writing already. You know what the issues are. So whether it's capitalization, whether it's punctuation, whether it's some subject verb agreement, whether it's a run on or a fragment or whatever it is, you need to make sure that everything is cleaned up. So that's going to take you. So hopefully you've been working on this already, but you need to go ahead and clean up your 3 journal responses of your choice out of any of the ones that we've done this semester, and then also 2 of your formal essays, the final draft. So looking at the final drafts and seeing what needs to be done, and then cleaning those up. And so the nice clean versions of your responses and your formal essays will be in this portfolio, and they should each have their own heading. And then the last heading will be a critical reflection of your writing. And there's another, and as you see, I have videos to help you. So this video is about 11 minutes, but she does a really good job of reflecting on your writing. And she has the 5 R's of reporting, responding, relating, reasoning, and reconstructing. And so you really should take a look at this to help you with your critical reflection. If you go past 1 page, 2 pages is fine, are fine, excuse me. And then up with your autobiography, this is like about 1 minute, just talk about yourself. And she talks about what you need to do to write about yourself. 1 page should be fine, but if you have 2 pages, I'm okay with that too. And then that is it. So I want you to really work on this, do a good job. This will be due May 3rd. you will see that the final exam will open up on Friday, April 26th, um, and for you to upload. And actually, it'll probably really be April 27th because it's going to open up around midnight. And so all you do is click this week 16 final examination period, and you will upload your e-portfolio. But definitely look at week 15, which is this week right now, to help you with this e-portfolio. It must be done exactly like this, as it's stated in this order and how it's done. Otherwise, points will be taken off. All right. I wish you well on your final exam. Good luck on it, and have a good day.